Designed to serve in standalone DSP applications, those not requiring Dante network audio, the Solux NX series features the same DSP power and delay memory as SYMETRIX Radius, Prism, and Edge DSPs. Solux NX is ideally suited for a wide range of installed sound applications, delivering DSP-intensive processing, routing, and delay in systems requiring sophisticated loudspeaker management, auto mixing, paging, routing and distribution, mic line processing, AGC, room combining, and more. The series includes the Solux NX 4x4, 8x8, and 16x8. The models differ only in their number of analog audio inputs and outputs. All three feature a high-resolution graphic OLED for display of system status and metering. A single push button is used to navigate menus. The Solux NX series is programmed in the same way as SYMETRIX Radius, Prism, and Edge DSPs using Composer, our award-winning CAD-based design software. Solux NX's front panel features an easy-to-read white-on-black high-resolution graphic OLED, which displays audio metering and configuration information. DSP processing power and delay memory are identical to SYMETRIX Edge, Radius, and Prism DSPs. Solux NX's embedded server supports the virtual ArcWeb browser-based control application along with browser-based diagnostics. And of course, there's support for the full range of SYMETRIX Arc wall panels. Common to all versions of Solux NX are the external power supply, ARC port, Ethernet port, logic outputs, and external control inputs. The three versions differ only in their analog audio I/O configurations. Solux NX 4x4 has 4 inputs and 4 outputs. Solux NX 8x8 has 8 inputs and 8 outputs. Solux NX 16x8 has 16 inputs and 8 outputs. The easy-to-read white-on-black 256 by 64 pixel graphic OLED displays audio levels, unit name, IP address, MAC address, site file version, and faults. To the right of the display is a momentary push button used to wake up the display, cycle through menus, and dismiss notifications. An agency-approved external 65-watt power supply is included with each unit. The ARC port supports connection to the complete line of SYMETRIX ARC wall panels, including the ARC 3, a controller with a bright, crisp OLED display, and a universal mounting system. An Ethernet port is used for initial programming and real-time third-party control over IP, including ArcWeb. Solux NX's 4 logic outputs can be programmed to drive external LEDs and relays in a wide variety of applications. For example, LEDs may be used to indicate if a microphone is muted or active. Relays may be used to power up a projector or lower a screen. Solux NX external control inputs support either 2 potentiometers or 4 switches. Potentiometers may be programmed for use as remote volume controls. Switches may be used to activate emergency muting or fire alarms. Solux NX analog audio inputs accept either mic or line level signals, each channel having ±24 dB of digital trim, phantom power, signal inversion, and mute. Solux NX balanced analog outputs are software trimmed over a +12 to -72 dB range. The Solux NX series is programmed as are SYMETRIX Radius, Prism, and Edge DSPs using Composer. The Ethernet port of the Solux NX is connected to a Windows PC using either a direct or network connection. The brief programming overview that follows assumes a network connection. Once Composer has been launched, a Solux NX is dragged onto the Site View frame. The Design View frame, where DSP modules and routings are added, is opened by double-clicking the Solux NX. Once the signal path design is complete, returning to Site View and clicking the lower left corner of Solux NX opens the System Manager. In the System Manager, the desired Solux NX is selected from the Hardware tab. The site file is then pushed to the selected Solux NX. With the Solux NX hardware online, fine-tuning of audio and control settings may be completed. Solux NX is equipped with an embedded web server, which is extremely useful when commissioning and troubleshooting. Using any popular browser, it is accessed by entering the unit's private IP address, publicly accessible IP address, or its fully qualified domain name. The interface displays Solux NX's current analog I/O levels, diagnostics, and SYMETRIX Arc Web, a real-time password-protected interface used to control Solux NX from phones, tablets, and computers. In conclusion, with exactly the same DSP power and delay memory as SYMETRIX Radius, Prism, and Edge DSPs, the Solux NX series excels across a wide range of standalone DSP applications, those not requiring Dante network audio. Using Composer's open architecture programming of DSP, routing, user control, and security, the Solux NX family is an industry standout when it comes to pristine sound, flexibility, and value. For more information on Solux NX, as well as all SYMETRIX DSPs and accessories, please visit symetrix.co.